Hi teacher, my name is Daejeon. Today I'm going to share with you some tips to have a good um, pre- presentation before the presentation. You should prepare your topic carefully. Do some research, make an outline, and design a simple but clean slide. You also need to practice uh, speaking in front of a mirror or with your friend to feel more confident. Uh, a good a good presentation usually has three main parts: the introduction, the body, and conclusion. In the introduction, you can say good morning, everyone, or let me start by introducing myself. Um, to attract the audience, you ear contact, smile, and make natural hand gesture. Don't read the slide. Take to your audience. Thanks for watching.